Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences ke Taranipan Suba Annual Foundation Day ka iroinana JNIMS Dental College tingkat kibagi Mapan Suba Foundation Day ki thoram pangthokre JNIMS Family na Sinduna Institute asiki Auditorium Hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Vala Health and Family Welfare ki Commissioner cum Secretary Suman Singh JNIMS ki Director Professor L Usarani na Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oina sarukya ki amadi thoram adugi manungchanna nongin haina mingthonba College Magazine amasu fongkibaga loinana kumja English enika kunmari kunmanga da pangthokiba MBBS amadi VDS da makwari wangna fongduna pass tawrkhaba mahiroi amadi tonga tonganba department sing da kathukpa amaga loinana thabak tawriba doctor sing da achamba khudol piduna ikai khumnaba utki thoram aduga mari leinana state asigi Governor Ajay Kumar Vala na haikibada haukiba chahi sing the institute asina ana layengi lamda miyamgi seba tawriba asigi mathakta hai singlaba mahiroi kaya puthokduna lamdam asigi ana layengi lamda mapangal Kankaranbada Achoba Thodang Yari amadi Lamlam na Kudong Chadaba Kaya Mayo Natuna Alai Ana Lying Chalamba Kayaki Awabda Su Kohanba ni Haiki Masida Natana Institute Asina Nasan Amadi State Ki Takta Pangtokpa Health Program Singi Tasu Saruk Yaduna Matamatam Gimiangi Yaifanaba Ana Layangi Kongtang Sing Busum Yamda Yohunduna Leptana Sangsil Lakliba Kongtang Asina Hena Singtaningai Amasu Oidi Institute Asigi Matung tarakpa matamdasu hena afaba mahiroi kaya puthokpa khaknatana ana layengi lamda hena kumang choksinba amadi state asigi mingchatka loinana miyamgi yaifanaba thabak sing tawrakpa odasanu haiba wafam sing phongdokhibaga loinana institute asigi leiriba doctor nurse paramedical staff alumni amadi mahiroi sing khudingmokpusu thakapa phongdokhi.
Looking to the future, it's imperative that JNIMS to continue strengthening its academic standards, research capabilities, and specialized healthcare services while embracing digital health and technological advancements. Always an institute is known by the research papers it published. Why AIMS Delhi had made such a big name. It was only AIMS to begin with, and it's been a very old institution, so doctors, the professors and all have been working and publishing lots of papers.